Hello folks, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's another vlog from my side and we are flying to Delhi from Hyderabad through Air India, and I'm landing for the first time in Delhi through Air India. I'm very excited. Let's go. We are headed towards Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. Let's go. Finally, I'm at the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and the airport is very empty today, folks. Oh my god. Let's go! We are flying to Delhi now, our country's national capital. And again, no words to say for the mother and son liver combo. Rajiv Gandhi to Indira Gandhi. Let's go! We have moved inside the airport. Now where's our Air India? It's written D. Let's go towards Air India now. The interior designs are very good at this airport, the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad. My god. Let's go. I have to check in my baggage. I have to check in this bag behind me because I feel free with the sling bag, over here. And let's go. Finally I'm done with I've collected my boarding card and I'm done with the security check as well, and now I'm proceeding towards my boarding gate, that is towards gate number 7. Let's go. Now we are going towards our gates. Our aircraft might be displayed in another part. Look, it's 5:30 AI 554 Delhi. 10 minutes towards the gate. Oh my god, let's go. It's a 10-minute long walk, folks, and yeah, shop a stop and all those things. You guys don't need any introduction over here. Karachi Bakery. However, we have to go towards the other part. This is the other part of the security check. When I went to Indore with my family, we all went through this part. Now where is gate number 22? Yes, gate number 7. That's the part which we went towards Indore. Yes, that's a boarding gate. So I don't think you guys need any introduction till the boarding gate as of now. And yeah, there's no need. It's gate 7. It's 9-minute walk. I don't think I need to record all 9 minutes. So let's go. Hey guys, hope you have noticed gate 6, 5 AM to Indore, and this is the same gate which my family and myself have boarded to Indore for the Ujjain trip. My god. This is gate 7 to Delhi, and this is the same place where we all have gathered to board our aircraft to Indore. Let's go. Just 40 more minutes for us to board to Delhi. Let's go. Well guys, you can see me finally. We are ready to board our aircraft, and yeah, I'll be bidding you to Hyderabad only for one day, as I'm traveling to Delhi only for one day for some work. And yeah, you can see me in this formal attire. The aircraft is currently flying us to Delhi. It's Air India A321 Pilots, and the new logo has to be updated on the aircraft. There you go. The new logo has to be updated on the aircraft. This is the old one. Here we are. There goes greeting everyone over there. Thank you. Ready to board. Not yet. God. 3, 4 F. My seat for today. Let's go. All set, let's go. We're ready to fly to Delhi, our country's national capital, and we'll be landing at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in another 3 hours from now. Mother and son Euro combo from Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport to Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Don't know the GMR groups. Let's go.
Speaking. My name is Captain Angshan. With me in the flight deck today is First Officer Ruchika Pandey. On behalf of Air India and my entire crew, I welcome you on board AI 554 and Airbus 320 Neo service to Delhi. Flight time to destination will be 2 hours and 15 minutes. Cruising altitude will be 36,000 feet. Please sit back and enjoy Air India's in-flight hospitality. Thank you. Crew to our models, cross-check and report. अतिथियों का स्वागत करते हुए खुशी है हैदराबाद से दिल्ली जा रही AI 554 पर हमारे फ्लाइट रिटर्न्स और स्टारलाइन सदस्यों का भी हार्दिक स्वागत है। हमारा दिल्ली तक की उड़ान समय 2 घंटे 15 मिनट रहेगा। कप्तान यांगचेंग डोलकर कमान में है और फ्लाइट डेक में उनके साथ फर्स्ट ऑफिसर रुचिका पांडे है। मेरा नाम चांदी है और मैं आपकी कैबिन सुपरवाइजर हूँ। आज की उड़ान पर हमारी क्रू इंग्लिश और हिंदी बोल सकते हैं। आप अपने एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट रिटर्न्स लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम का अनुभव ले सकते हैं। अपनी यात्रा को आर्थिक लाभ में बनाएं और स्टारलाइंस नेटवर्क पर ग्लोबल प्रिविलेज का आनंद लें। इस प्रोग्राम के साथ जुड़ने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट airindia.com या ऐप पर लॉगिन करें और बेजोड़ पुरस्कारों का आनंद लेना शुरू करें। हमारे साथ यात्रा हम आशा करते हैं कि आप हमारी सेवाओं का आनंद लें और आपकी उड़ान सुखद हो। धन्यवाद। On board Air India, special welcome to all our flying returns as Starlines member. Our flight AI 554 is from Hyderabad to Delhi and the flight time is expected to be 2 hours and 15 minutes. Captain Yangjin Dolkar is in command and assisting her in the flight deck is First Officer Ruchika Pandey. My name is Chandni and I am your cabin supervisor. On today's flight, our crew can speak English and Hindi. Now experience the all-new Air India Flying Returns Loyalty Program. Make your journey more rewarding and seamless and enjoy global privilege across the Starlines network. Visit our website airindia.com or app to enroll now and enjoy unmatched rewards. We hope you enjoy our warm Indian hospitality and have a comfortable flight. Thank you. मदिरापान करना सख्त मना है। शौचालय में लगे स्मोक डिटेक्टर्स के साथ छेड़छाड़ करना वर्जित है। मोबाइल फोन सहित सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों का उपयोग केवल फ्लाइट मोड पर कर सकते हैं। आपसे निवेदन है कि आपके और आपके सही यात्रियों की सुरक्षा के लिए टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान लैपटॉप या अन्य बड़ी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरण का उपयोग न करें। धन्यवाद। May I have attention please? Smoking, the use of e-cigarettes and the consumption of alcohol is not allowed on this aircraft. Disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detector is prohibited. Please note that all electronic devices, including mobile phones, may be used in flight mode. For your safety and the safety of fellow passengers, use of large electronic equipment such as laptop is not permitted during takeoff and landing. Thank you. इस विमान में आपातकालीन उपकरणों की निर्धारित जगह विमानों से अलग हो सकते हैं। आपसे निवेदन है कि क्रू की सुरक्षा निर्देशों का ध्यान दें। Namaste, Centralina, as we take you through the safety instruction of this aircraft, please note that the location of safety equipment may vary from others. You are requested to pay attention to the crew safety instruction. ये आपकी सीट बेल्ट है। सीट बेल्ट पाने के लिए मेटल चिप को बकल बता लें और स्ट्रैप खींच कर कसके सीट बेल्ट पर बने सामान कक्ष में या आपके सामने किसी के नीचे रखिए। अपनी सीसीडी रखिए। सीट बेल्ट बांधिए। ट्रे टेबल बंद कर दें। विंडो शेड्स खोले रखिए। धन्यवाद। Take care. We are now ready to take off. Please place your hand baggage in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Please keep your seat belt upright, seat belt fastened, tray table secured, and window shades open. Thank you. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, अब हम कैबिन लाइट कम की जाएगी। यदि आप चाहिए तो ऊपर लगी रीडिंग लाइट का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। Take care. We shall dim the cabin light now. Should you wish, please use the reading light above you. Thank you.
Oops. Well, folks, the breakfast has been served. I think so. This is a bun along with the cool bottle, along with this cold water bottle. This is the cutlery. It's breakfast with butter and yogurt. What is inside? You want idli sambar? Oh, I have an upma on here. Want sambar, man? Please. What is this? Vada and sambar. Butter and bun. It's the bun, I guess. Yes. It's the bun with butter. Let's have it.
The use of lavatories will not be permitted once the symbol sign is switched on. Thank you. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, एयर इंडिया को निर्धारित समय से 20 मिनट पहले आगमन करते हुए खुशी है। दिल्ली के इंदिरा गांधी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे में आपका स्वागत है। यहाँ इस समय बाहर का तापमान 29 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है, सीट बेल्ट संकेत बंद किए जाने तक कृपया अपनी निर्धारित सीट पर ही बैठे रहिए और ऊपर बने सामान कक्ष न खोलें। सामान कक्ष खोलते समय कृपया सावधानी बरतें। अब आप मोबाइल फोन का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। एयर इंडिया नेटवर्क और पटना एयरलाइंस के उड़ानों पर आगे जाने वाले अतिथि ग्राउंड स्टाफ को या ट्रांसफर डेस्क पर संपर्क करें। कृपया अपने सामने बैठे अतिथियों को पहले उतरने दें। जिन अतिथियों ने व्हील चेयर की बुकिंग की है वे अपनी सीट पर ही बैठे रहे। अन्य अतिथियों के उतरने के बाद हमारी टीम तुरंत आपकी सहायता करेगी। हमारी नई लॉयल्टी प्रोग्राम फ्लाइंग रिटर्न्स के साथ इस उड़ान की रिवॉर्ड पॉइंट एकत्र करना ना भूलें। इस प्रोग्राम के साथ जुड़ने के लिए हमारी वेबसाइट airindia.com या ऐप पर लॉगिन करें और बेजोड़ पुरस्कारों का आनंद लेना शुरू करें। हमारे साथ यात्रा करने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। फिर मिलने की उम्मीद करते हुए अब हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं। नमस्ते। Dear guests, Air India is pleased to announce 20 minutes early arrival in Delhi. Welcome to Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 3 at Delhi, where the temperature outside is 29 degrees Celsius. Please remain.
Finally, it was a 20-minute before arrival in Delhi. You can see the aircraft behind me. The aircraft has two logos, and yes, woo! Here we are at the Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi. We have landed from Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, the mother and son duo combo. Let's go! Let's go! So this is the second time I've arrived in Terminal 3. One was through Vistara from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport in Mumbai. Now the second time through Air India from the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in Hyderabad, the mother and son duo combo. However, the flight was excellent, the food was excellent, the crew were excellent, and yeah, let's check out, and then I need to finish my work in Delhi, not Delhi, in Gurgaon, Haryana, and from there I'll be departing to Hyderabad in the evening later this day. I'll speak to you once I collect my luggage from the baggage claim belt. The same arrival compartment here at the Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 3 through this Bharatanatyam sculpture. This airport is India's #1 international airport, and we are here to claim our baggage from the belt number 3. These are the Bharatanatyam steps, and this image is quite popular in the Wikipedia as well of this airport, the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Baggage and exit, transfers, hotel. You know, these people have all these type of facilities over here. Anyways, it's done. Okay guys, I have finally reached my destination. It is Delhi, the capital of our country. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this vlog. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon which you will get updates about my vlogs. And yeah, and do not forget to pin down your comments so that I can enhance my vlogging again. Thank you very much. I'm here at Indira Gandhi International Airport, India's #1 international airport, and my favorite city in India, Delhi. Let's go! Thank you very much. Signing off. Goodbye.